Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be going over the BoxyCharm of January. I'm planning this to go up in January, but you know, college is getting ready to start. So for this month, it is the Rock 2018. Great way to start off January. So we'll be going through this box. I'll be applying it to my face and giving you my reviews as we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So like I said, this is the Rock 2018 box. And we first open it, we're gonna get all this stuff in here. So the first thing that I spot is, oh bless this. This is the Dr. Brandt Illuminizer Primer. It's the Pores No More. And I'm really excited for this. So I just washed my face. I applied moisturizer, a little bit of a serum, just kind of help freshen things up. I just got over that time of the month, so like all my zits are slowly fading now. Yeah. Alright, so when we pull this out, so you guys can see it, comes out like this. It's kind of got, it's like a sandy, like, beige tint to it, you guys. Let's go ahead and apply this to the face. So that actually retails for $38. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation and then we'll continue into our box. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I just applied some of my LA Girl foundation, set my under eyes with my Maybelline concealer Fit Me, and then I finished off by, did I say setting? I meant concealing. Then I set my under eyes with my RCMA No Color Powder. So let's move on to what's in the box next. Alright, so we also got the IT Brow Powder, and this is in, Universal Taupe. This retails for $24. So let's go ahead and apply this. So, open it up. It looks like it is. My dog is literally having a spasm right now. I don't even know what's going on in my bed. You good? You hear him in the back. Like, if you hear weird noises in the background, it's him. Okay. So, right off the bat, I love this spoolie. I really like nice spoolies. Okay, that's a lot thicker than my Anastasia one. A lot thicker. Okay, so on the left, I don't know if you can see, left is Anastasia, right is IT Cosmetics. She thick. Hi, did you come over to visit? Alright, so I have my brows on now. I like it. It's a little hard filling in like spaces on my skin where I want it to look like my brow because it matches my eyebrow shape, but then it doesn't. Like I have to go a certain way for it to really look like my natural brow, but it's nice. I mean, I'd probably grab for it again, but not as much as my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Alright, so next in our box we have this. I don't know if you can see it. It's the Glam Metals, and it's by Crown. I am so excited for this. And you can see they are all shimmers, except for this matte black up here. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Glam Rock right down here. It's like a brown shimmery color. Tap off some of it. We're just going to go right in. Now I didn't pick up too much because this is a much darker color, and if you look at the palette again, you can tell, there really isn't a transition shade because they're all shimmers except for that black. I love that color, you guys. It's like brown. I think you can see it. Like in here, but it's brown. If I look at the light a certain way, it looks gold. You can see a little bit. So now I'm going to be taking some of Rebel right here. It's like an orange shimmer. This is the M573, and for that brown shade, I use just a regular Morphe brush that I got with the brush set. So, you guys, I like barely dip that in there. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. A lot of pigment is coming off of these, which is good. There's a little bit of fallout, but it's nothing bad. Like, I'm totally okay with fallout. Because if it's there, bitch, it's there. So I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to kind of smooth out my edges here and bring it up to look like a crease color that we had. But it's very, very, very faded, as you guys can see. But we're kind of just smoothing out the edges and again fooling the eye like we did put. I want to put another color on. I don't know what. I kind of think I'm going to take some of this red at the top right here, and it's called Wild Thing, and we're going to apply it right in the middle of the orange and that brown we did. So it's a nice like ombre look. Wow, that just intensified the orange like nobody's business. I'm actually going to take some more of that orange shade with my finger, and we're going to pat it more of the ends. And I'm going to bring it down into my inner corner a little bit. So now I'm going to be taking a E18 brush by Morphe, and I'm going to dip into this black over here. It's a matte black. I'm just going to pop it right on that outer edge. Have a little bit more depth. This is a very chalky black. It's not very matte black, but it is very pretty. It's very nice. I do like that. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my M213 brush by Morphe. Ooh. And we're going to take that Glam Rock again, and we're going to start applying it on the bottom corner of the lash. So to deepen things up even more, I'm going to be taking the Wicked right down here, which is like a plumish, but it's still got a shimmer in it. And we're going to apply that a little more heavy, connecting to the top. So now I'm going to be taking some of that Wild Thing, that red shimmer we had, and applying it right in the middle. And I want to use this punk up here so bad. And then to bring it all together, we're going to take back that orange shade in the middle, Rebel, and we're going to connect it. You guys, this is a beautiful palette. Like, that was a lot of fun. I just had a lot of fun creating this eye look. So now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and pop on some mascara, and we'll move on to the next product. Okay guys, so I just put some of my CoverGirl mascara on, and then I just applied some of my Morphe gel eyeliner on my inner corner. So next we have Pure Bronzer and Brightener. So we have a bronzer on the left hand side, we have a highlighter in the middle, and then we have a nice little blush on the inside. Now, this is kind of hard to see because my light. You can see it a little bit better right there. And this retails for $34. Oh my gosh, I didn't tell you how much the palette was. The palette was $25. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my Morphe E41 brush to bronze, and we're going to go light because this is shimmery, and that scares me. So I'm very in favor of a nice matte face, but so next I'm going to be taking the blush in here, which the lighting I have kind of shows it off weird, but it's definitely a very pink corally blush. Like, holy Toledo. Alright, so let's try this. Oh, bitch. Bitch! I really like this. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Alright, so I'm so excited about this. This is the highlight in the middle of the palette I'm going to be taking. I have just died and gone to heaven. You guys. Is this a new favorite highlighter of mine? Is this look a new favorite of mine? Better question. Let's go ahead and take this and we're going to pop this under the brow. Oh gosh, there it is. Oh gosh, so beautiful. I feel like I'm going to take some and put it in my inner corner to like go with that orange we have going in there. Oh my gosh, that just like brightened it up, like holy crap. After that last product, I'm hoping this one shocks me even more because that was amazing. I can't get over my face right there. Alright, so our next product that we have is the Girl Lactic Beauty. It's the matte lip paint. And it looks like this. And I got shade Posh. Pish Posh. We're going to go ahead and take this and we're going to apply it. Ooh. It's like a mousse. Ooh. Okay, so that formula is amazing. It's definitely drying now, but oh my gosh, you guys, like that color is beautiful. It's kind of weird. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So I have an issue. I got some lights here, and it's got like 3 settings on it, so I kind of change it for whatever like the best lighting is in my room right now. But sometimes you can't really see colors that well because of the lighting, but this is the final look with this lip. So overall, guys, I love the primer. Like, I feel like if my pores like are gone, it's like, what is even a pore? Ashley doesn't have any pores. Okay. I really, really, really love the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. Like that just stole the show. The palette was beautiful. I really like the eye look that I created with it. I used pretty much all the colors and it looks beautiful. The brows were nice. The brow pencil was nice, but again, like I feel like they say universal taupe. Like I just feel like it wouldn't match certain eyebrows. Like, if you have black hair or if, you know, you have a little bit of a darker like eyebrow. Like it was even a little hard for me. But like I said, I would definitely reach for it again. It's very nice. And lastly, this lip paint. Yes, hunty. Like, I really like it. It's really nice. It's drying matte, and you can't even see it. Really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hopefully this will be up in January, but, you know, college is getting ready to start. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks so much for watching.